The Clearview Center is on the leading edge in aftercare. Quite often a recovering addict finds that their addiction was a sign of an underlying condition that needs special attention. The popular book, The Alcoholism and Addiction Cure by Chris Prentice, points out that addressing the underlying condition is critical to staying clean and sober. I don't use the word cure like Prentice does, but I use essentially the same methods and have found the same results. Our aftercare program uses the most recent and most powerful techniques of motivational interviewing, MI, and neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, applied to the Gorski program, cognitive behavioral therapy, and person-centered therapy. The MI and NLP approaches have created astounding improvements on typical treatment results and have given us a new, non-confrontational, patient approach to clients who are ambivalent or not quite ready for treatment. Yeah, those clients who other treatment centers called treatment resistant. Aftercare is typically a 1 or 1.5 hour one-on-one individual session once a week with me, addressing the client's individual underlying issues. You can feel comfortable and confident giving me a call today so we can start to figure out how to resolve your own unique issues and get you on the road to inner peace, to accomplishing your dreams, to finding the joy, the happiness, and the love that every human being is meant to have.